Now come on to page number 29. Here we have 5 senses exercise. Our 5 senses tell us about the world around us. Our 5 senses are hearing, tasting, touching, seeing and smelling. Now here we have some pictures and we have to mention which senses are used in these pictures. We have 5 senses: hearing, tasting, touching, seeing and smelling. Now look at the pictures below and write which sense are they using. After doing this, come on to page number 30. Here we have some fill in the blanks and we have to write the name of the senses that are used for them. For example, in number 1, Sarah was eating a chocolate ice cream. How is Sarah eating a chocolate ice cream? Which sense she is using here? You have to write the sense, which sense she is using. When she is eating ice cream, she is using her tasting sense. Okay, now you have to complete this page number 30. Assalamu alaikum students, this is your science class and I'm your teacher Miss Shazeen. In the previous class, we have learned about the 3 senses, that is seeing, smell and touch. Today we are going to start a new sense and that is hearing. We hear with the help of our ears. Take out page number 22. On page number 22, on the upper part, we have a poem written. Just read out this poem and then solve the questions below. How many ears do you have? Question number 2, what do they help you to do? Question number 3, name a sound that you like. And question number 4, name a sound you don't like. Now question number 3 and question number 4, you have to write it by your own choice. After doing that, come on to page number 23. Look at the pictures and put them in the correct box below. Here we have 6 pictures and 2 columns. The first column is I can hear and the second column is I cannot hear. Now you have to write the names of the pictures that you can hear in this column and that you cannot hear in this column. After doing page number 23, come on to page number 24, that is our new sense or our next sense, that is touch. We touch with the help of our hands. In the upper part, we have a poem written. Just read out the poem and then solve the questions below. Question number 1, do you have skin all over your body? Question number 2, does your skin stretch? Number 3, name something nice to touch. Now this is up to your choice, the thing that you like to touch. Number 4, name something you should not touch. Name something that you should not ever touch, okay? That is dangerous or that is not for kids, okay? You have to write its name. Now take out page number 25. Look at the pictures and put them in the correct box below. Here we have 2 columns, I can touch and I cannot touch. Here we have 6 pictures. Put them in their correct columns. After doing page number 25, come on to page number 27. Cut out the pictures below and put them into the correct box. We have 2 boxes here, things that are nice to touch and things that are dangerous to touch. We have to cut these columns and place them on the blank paper aside on page number 26. Just cut out the pictures and the columns, put them on page number 26, paste them with the help of your parents or any adult. Okay, now put the pictures in their correct columns. Things that are nice to touch will come in this column and things that are dangerous to touch will come in this column.